vibrations of molecules. Okay, so we were trying to prove, the only thing we tried to do today and succeeded was trying to show that this final equation MAUA summation equal to 0 actually holds. So as you would remember from the last session, we said that we are only interested in the vibrational degrees of freedom and we want to ignore the translation and rotational degrees of freedom. In order to do that, we assume the two relevant quantities to be at rest. The first is the center of mass being at rest. The notation we use is RA is equal to RA naught plus UA, and RA naught is the equilibrium position of the earth atom and UA is the displacement. So that is what we had assumed. And now we basically showed that in case, so we using Kishore's idea, which was that if the center of mass is at rest, then the time derivative of MARA should be equal to 0, which effectively meant that summation MA du by dt should be constant. So we finally concluded that summation MAUA should be a constant. No. I made a mistake in the argument. Sorry. So let me start again very quickly. So we say that the center of mass is at rest, which means summation dy dt of MARA should be 0, which effectively means that since RA naught is a constant, summation dy dt of MAUA should be 0 because it is at rest, so it doesn't move. Which then means that summation MAUA should be a constant. Okay, so let's call this constant C, and then we did some very simple transformation, which we will upload later. But the idea was that we assume that you can take out this constant and put it back into RA naught. So you define a new equilibrium position such that summation MAUA becomes 0. Okay? So that is what we did. Now we tried applying the same idea to the case of rotation, and that's where we failed. And that is where we've stopped. The trouble was that, yeah, let me not talk about that. So that is where we finished. So Kishore, if you want to add something, now is the time. Oh no, you've already left. Okay, so it's just me talking to myself. So let's call it a day and have a good weekend. Oh, Kishore's here. Do you want to say something, Kishore?
No, thank you. My internet just got off and came back.
Okay. So yeah, that's about it. See you next time.